All right, Octothorpe. It's just like the Dizzy bike, but a little different. It's right-handed U-turns, and it's around 1. Or it's right-handed 360s for the most part. So around this first one, this is really gonna test your right-handed U-turns. I'm gonna give it a little bit more counterweight. So then it's shooting all the way across. Now it's like it's a 720 basically. To this one. And then it's on the exit out. Okay, so I don't need to give it that much counterweight because it slows me down quite a bit. Let's do a little bit more of a Moto Gymkhana, not a slow speed thing. All right, let's try that out. So it's like lean into it. So 3, 2, 1. So I'm leaning into it. Accelerate. Lean in. Oh, if I feel like I'm gonna fall down, the thing is, I don't give it more counterweight. I missed the cone, so it doesn't count. I'm only doing 3 runs, so I only get 1 more try. Son of a bitch. Maybe I need to do some counterweight. So if that's what happens, that's what happens, guys. Write in your notebook or write in your notes, like a Google Doc with your times, and be like, hey, second run, Octothorpe. Screwed it up. I need to do some counterweighting. Hey, we're all there. Especially after doing this for 40 minutes now. All right. 21.51. I would edit out like all my screw ups, but I really want to keep them in so that you guys can see it happens. We're all learning, we're getting better. And I've been doing all these. We're finally on the expert drills. I've been doing beginner through hard this whole time. My hand is getting a little sore, but I think I could do it. We're at 39 minutes in. All right, guys.